In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create tab-like sections in Confluence using the built-in expand macro to organize your content and make your pages easier to navigate. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to add the tab-like sections and click Edit to enter editing mode. Next, place your cursor where you want the first section to appear. Type Expand or click the Insert button in the toolbar and select Expand from the list of macros. Once the Expand macro is inserted, enter a title for the section. This title acts like the tab label that readers will click to reveal the content. Now add the content inside the Expand section. You can include text, images, tables, code blocks, links, or any other supported Confluence content. If you want additional tab-like sections, simply insert another expand macro below the first one, give it a different title, and add its content. Repeat this process for as many sections as you need. Using multiple expand macros keeps long pages organized by allowing readers to open only the sections they're interested in, reducing clutter and making documentation much easier to browse. When you're happy with the layout, click Publish to save your changes. Your expandable sections will now be available for everyone viewing the page. That's how to add tab-like sections to a Confluence page using the built-in expand macro. Thanks for watching.